software delivery has evolved dramatically. From strict planning to AI-powered creation, every approach changes how quickly value reaches the user. Waterfall follows a fixed, sequential process. First come requirements, then design, development, testing, and finally release. Each stage must be completed before the next one begins. The result may be a fully finished product, but users receive no usable value until the entire journey is complete. Agile takes a different approach. Instead of waiting for the perfect car, it delivers something useful early. A skateboard becomes a scooter, then a bicycle, a motorcycle, and eventually a car. Each version creates value, gathers feedback, and improves through continuous iteration. AI build can transform an idea into an impressive prototype at incredible speed. The first 80% may feel almost instant, but turning that prototype into a reliable production system still requires software lifecycle. AI accelerates development, but engineering responsibilities remain. Vibe coding starts with speed, experimentation, and rapid changes. It can be excellent for learning and creating early prototypes. But without reviews, tests, documentation, and clear ownership, every shortcut adds complexity. Bugs multiply, technical debt grows, and eventually the original product becomes difficult to recognize, understand, or maintain. One delivers late, one improves continuously, one moves at AI speed, and one may eventually bury the car under technical debt.